Hey guys, it's Nixon from Zip Scanners, where we make scanning easy, with free shipping, no taxes, and lifetime technical support from experts like me. So today I really wanted to go over these 3 scanners. They are the best handheld scanners on the market today. I get this question every day, so I wanted to best help everyone with this video. Really show everyone what they look like side by side, go over some of the features, and really tell you which one I think is best based on not just my opinion but what our customers say. So let's get started with the cheapest of the bunch, WS1088. This is the best bang for your buck in my opinion if you can't afford the higher end models here. It's going to be slightly cheaper and do basically most of what these two can do. This is going to basically have your phase 2 capability as well as your P25. It does it all. You can pick up your analog as well. Give me a call if you don't know, if you're not sure which scanner will work in your area. Most of the time I will recommend the WS1088, pending if there isn't anything else going on in your area, but I'll let you know. You'll notice that this one doesn't come with a case. Essentially, this scanner is identical to the TRX-1. The only difference being is that it doesn't come with this nice rubber case to protect. And other than that, the interface, how it performs, and how you navigate the scanner is essentially the same as the TRX-1. So that's something to note. They designed it that way. I think it makes it easier as you upgrade from their older models, but you know, some people have said that, hey, so why didn't they change anything? But you know, I think that's actually a good thing in my opinion. I'll get to the differences between this and the TRX-1, but I just want to spend a little bit of time about the WS1088. This is going to have your DMR capability, so you got to make sure that this scanner is updated with the EasyScan software. I tell most of our customers, if you don't know how to do that, let me know. We can get that thing pretty much set up with our one-touch before we even send this out to you. So keep that in mind. But it's pretty much going to do everything the TRX-1 does, except for some of the newer capabilities, which I'll get to with the TRX-1. But again, this is our best and most affordable phase 2 police scanner out there. I want to move on to now the Uniden BCD436. This is also another popular scanner out there. If you are a Uniden fan, you'll know what I mean when I say people who like Unidens, they stick with this brand. They like it. It works fine. No, I don't have any problems with it. I've never have. It's just a little bit different in terms of the interface, how you navigate. It's a little bit different from the aspect of when you start scanning. You can hold things from the system, the department site, or the channel. And so some people have asked me, why do they have 3 areas where you can pause? And actually, there's an advantage to that. Sometimes you can stay on a frequency, or you can just stay on a system, so it can shuffle through, or it'll scan through that system. So you have a choice. Whereas these TRX-1 and the WS1088, they don't do that. When you pause, you're pausing on that frequency, and that's kind of the difference between these guys when you're talking about these white buttons at the bottom here. But I want to talk about some of the features here and the differences. I've done that in a previous video, but I wanted to talk about the differences, the capabilities of this compared to your Whistlers. This is going to have that Pro Voice capability and also the DMR capability, but you have to purchase that. That's a separate cost with these Unidens, and whereas these Whistlers, those are free with an update, and that's kind of the difference between. That's a big difference, should I say, that customers talk about a lot, and I think it has something to do with the licensing. I think Uniden has a different type of relationship with how they do it, which is why they charge customers for those upgrades. Another feature that I want to talk about as well is the GPS capability. Now, what's good about these Unidens is that if you are a person who likes to travel in your vehicle and have your scanner with you, this has GPS capability. You have to purchase that separately as well, and that's something that the Whistlers do not have at the moment, but these Unidens, they do have. You can get that GPS on our website, so take a look. If you have any questions, again, give me a call. I'm here to help, and I'll give you some advice on that. One last note with these DMR and Pro Voice capability, if you don't know if that affects your area, again, just give me a call. I'll be more than happy to help you guys out with that. I can take a look and see what's happening based on your area code. So again, that's something that I'm happy to help with. So moving on, I want to talk about the TRX-1 next. This right here is the flagship of the Whistlers. This just came out, so everyone's raving about it. Not just me. Everybody's always thinking that I'm like pushing this this scanner, but the reality is it's just it's what our customers are talking about. They like the faster processor. They like the DMR and NXDN capability. And that's just the NXDN is something new it's coming out. It's only in a very few places, but if it affects you, then this is the only scanner. This and the TRX-2. That's the base model that they made as well, and these are the only two that can pick up that NXDN, those NXDN systems. So that's something to note. No other scanner can do that at the moment. So people like that. They like that added insurance in case that ever happens in your area where they change to different systems. This will do the job. Another thing I did not mention that Whistler does a really good job of is they're really good at updates. They find bugs. They have issues with. They find issues with the scanners, and they create updates to fix it. So a lot of customers like that, and we like it as well. You know, that means that they're on point. They're trying their best to get the scanner working for you the best way possible. And speaking of Whistler, I wanted to give a quick shout out to my two favorite guys over at Whistler. I'm talking about Brian Hawkins and John Nolan. Those scanner technicians over there, I can't say enough about them. They just do an outstanding job. Anytime I have an issue, something I can't solve, I know I can call them and they answer. They can figure it out for me. So I just wanted to let them know that I appreciate that, and I hope that none of our customers ever have any issues or need to go to them. But if you do, it's good to know that they have customer support like that over there. But let me get back to the TRX-1 here. Again, this is the workhorse right now of the handhelds. It does an amazing job. It has this great, really heavy duty case that I just feel like if I ever drop this thing, nothing's gonna happen to it. It's like built like a tank. So I do like it. I'm a big fan of it because I'm clumsy myself. I drop things, and I know that with this thing on, nothing's gonna happen to this scanner. Whereas, you know, if you don't have a case in this instance for these guys, you know, it will dent and you could possibly break something. So I'm glad that they included the case with this TRX-1. I'm a fan of that. So yeah, this is a really quick rundown I wanted to give you of these 3 best digital phase 2 scanners on the market today. If you have any questions, again, I'm here to help. Feel free to call me and we can talk about these. I want to get you set up with the best scanner for your area, and I know I can do that. I've been doing it, and customers love it. So I hope this was helpful. If you like this video, please click the like button below, and be sure to check us out at zipscanners.com for all of your scanner needs. We provide fantastic customer service, free shipping, programming for your scanner, and a helpful learning center with more videos just like these. Thanks again for watching.